problem number 17 po and problem number 18. So, unahin po natin ang problem number 17. So, ito, alam natin inverse of sine, no? So, sa square root pa lang alam natin, then nag-operation na negative, that is inverse of sine. Then, ito naman, inverse of tan. Kasi pare, dahil walang radical, ang inverse of tan kasi walang radical expression, at the same time, positive yung operation sa gitna. Then, ang inverse of sine naman, may radical expression sa denominator, then negative sign sa operation. So, that is u is called, identify mo natin yung u. Ang u po, that is the, yung variable. So, that is x to the 4. Then, ang s called, that is constant 1. Then, ang magiging u natin is x squared na lang. Then, ang magiging n natin, that is 1. So, ngayon, dahil masyadong mataas yung degree, kailangan natin what? Kailangan natin i-differentiate. So, du is equivalent of 2x dx. So, para mahanap yung value ng dx, using substitution dito, kailangan natin i-divide both side yung 2x. Kaya magiging du all over 2x is equivalent of dx, no? Dinivide lang natin yan both side, oh. So, ngayon, babalikan natin ng problem. So, integral of x multiply by dx. Ang dx po natin, that's du, no? Du all over 2x. Siguro galamay niyo yung ganitong problem dahil natapos na tayo sa integral of substitution, which is napakaraming problem na ginawa kong example doon para, sinadya ko po yan para ma-enhance po yung sarili niyo sa pag-solve ng mga integral substitution. So, dito, I think kayang-kaya nyo na ito. So, ngayon, ano ba dito? Yung, yung square root pala ng ito. Ano yung square root of 1? Ang square root of 1, that is a squared. Ito, a squared. Minus x to the 4. X to the 4, that is u squared. So, alam natin inverse of sine yan. So, matatanggal yung isang x pati isang x. Kaya, ang matira dito is 1 all over 2. So, pwede natin i-multiply sa properties of integral. So, this will become 1/2 integral of du all over square root of a squared minus u squared. But, this form of equation or expression, that is indicate the inverse of sine. So, apply the inverse formula. Apply the integral of inverse of sine because the square root of a squared minus u squared is representative the inverse of sine. So, that is 1 all over 2 inverse of sine u all over a plus c because the square root of a squared minus u squared is inverse of sine. That is the inverse of sine. The formula of the inverse of sine is u all over a. But the 1/2 is a properties of integral is multiply to the formula of the inverse of sine. This will become 1/2 sine inverse of sine u all over a plus c. Then substitute the substitute the value of u all over a. So that is 1/2 inverse of sine u all over a. So that is u is the from the u squared is to remove the radical expression because the formula of the inverse of sine. So that is u all over x squared. So u is equivalent of x squared. So x squared divide by a. So the a is 1. So 1. So plus c. So the final answer, that is dito na lang. No? So 1/2 inverse of sine x squared divide 1, that is x squared because the denominator is 1. So any variable divide by 1, that is the original expression, that is x squared. So x squared plus c. So this is the final answer of the problem number 17, and just continue the problem number 18. So the problem number 18, that is integral of x all over x to the 4 plus 36 dx. So this is problem is indicate the inverse of tan because the inverse of tan, the integral of the inverse of tan, that is integral of du all over u squared, no? U squared plus a squared. But the u is representative of the any variable, no? Any variable. But the a is a constant. So meaning to say, the a variable is representative of the number but not combination of the coefficient or any variable. So for example, that is u, no? U squared is equivalent of any variable. So I think x to the 4 because x to the 4, that is the variable. So that is x to the 4. Then the a is representative of the constant from the problem. So I think ang the constant is 36. So 36. So u squared, no? So can remove the exponent. So that is u is equivalent of x squared because of uh, radical expression. So that is the a is equivalent of square root of 36. That is 6. I think 6, no? So 6. So ngayon, that is integral. So the u, no? U is equivalent of x squared. That is the higher than the degree, no? So I think u is equivalent of x, it's okay, no? Kasi that is the numerator is x. So but the u is equivalent of x squared. So I think you can use the differentiation or all derivatives because the variable of x is more than degree to the 2. Unlike for x, because x is don't use to the differentiation. So x squared is higher degree for 1 degree. So I think you can differentiate the equation. So derivative of u, that is du, derivative of x squared, that is what? That is 2x. 2x dx. For dx, in terms of dx, you can divide both sides by 2x, no? 2x. So du is all over 2x is equivalent of dx. So in terms of dx, equivalent of du all over 2x. So the problem is the integral, no? Integral of x dx. So x multiplied by dx. So the value of dx is equivalent of du all over 2x. So that is du all over 2x. All over what? All over x to the 4. But x to the 4 is equivalent of u squared. So u squared plus 36. Then the 36 is equivalent of a squared. So that is a squared using substitution. So x divide x, that is 1/2. So I think the du, that is a coefficient of 1. So simply 1 all over 2. So 1 all over 2, 1/2 multiplied by properties of integral. So this will become du all over u squared plus a squared. So I think the integral of du all over u squared plus a squared is equivalent of inverse of tan, no? I think similar the formula, similar the equation of this. But this formula, that this problem, that is integral of du all over u squared plus a squared, is equivalent of inverse of tan. So I think the inverse of tan, the formula of the inverse of tan, to form this equation, that is 1 all over a tan of inverse of tan, that is u all over a plus c, no? So that is 1/2 multiply. So this problem, that's integral of du all over u squared plus a squared, is equivalent to this. So that is 1 all over a. So 1 all over a. But the a is equivalent of 6. So denominator is 6. Inverse of tan u all over a, no? U all over a. But the u is x squared. Divide all over sa a. So that is 6 plus c. So plus c. So yan. So this is the 1/2 is distributed. So that is 1/2 times 1 over 6. That is 1 all over 12. So sorry, that lowest term. So problem number 18 ba? So yan, I think tama. So yan, so 2 times 6, that is 12. So inverse of tan x squared all over 6 plus c. So this is the final answer of the problem number 18. And just any question or clarification, just comment the comment section and I will answer the your clarification. So thank you so much sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. So thank you and God bless. So proceed po tayo sa problem. This will be continue the problem number 19 and problem number 20 of the next video. So thank you po.